now you can drop your link if you have new videos, so that the visitors of my live presentation will go to your video and then watch it and have a like for your video. I hope so you understand my English grammar. But if not, I will try my best so that you can understand me. Okay. Hi, ma'am. Okay, okay. So, you drop your link and then I will pin your message. That is the way of supporting. I just mute my live presentation because my kiddos watching nursery rhymes. That is the reason why I keep on uh, mute my live presentation to avoid any sounds that cause copyright, something like that. Be the best among the rest. Wow! Thank you po, Ma'am Sokto. Trying hard talaga ako mag-English kasi taga ibang bansa sila. Ayan. Thank you so much. Kailangan maitawid, Ma'am Sukto, para sa ekonomiya. Ayan.
People, say something nice joking you. Here, look.
Yeah.
See?
My son give me a drink so that I can speak louder and louder daw. You tell you to your tatay. You ask your tatay. I will mute again because my kiddos have tantrums.
And I mag-cellphone.
Ano po, nakaka-nosebleed din po, kaka-English. Nakaka-ano din, pagka nagagalit ako, nahihirapan ako mag-English kasi mahirap mag-English pag nagagalit. Ayun, kaya ang bagsak, mag-ano na lang, mag-inhale, exhale na lang kasi di mo na alam sabihin sa English o gusto mo sabihin. Shh, quiet. Thank you, Ma'am Mukesh Roy Black, for staying my live presentation. But I don't know what you want to emphasize like that.
Nay.
What?
From the cell.
No. I'm using the cell phone.
But that's something.
Yeah, I will support you back after my live presentation. And if you have comments came from Santiago surname and Padera surname, that's me.
Hey.
That's my other accounts. Later, I will visit your house.